Listen, speak, read, write.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe now, like, and comment.
Number 1, admiring, expressing approval and respect. Number 2, affectionate, displaying warm and tender feelings. Number 3, amiable, friendly and agreeable in disposition. Number 4, appreciative, feeling or showing gratitude or thankfulness. Number 5, benevolent, kind and generous, desiring to do good. Number 6, cheerful, full of happiness and positive energy. Number 7, complimentary, offering praise or admiration. Number 8, confident, self-assured and certain in one's abilities. Number 9, enthusiastic, eager and excited about something. Number 10, fulfilled, satisfied and content with one's achievements. Number 11, gracious, courteous and showing goodwill. Number 12, hopeful, filled with optimism and positive expectations. Number 13, inspiring, stirring emotions and motivating others. Number 14, joyful, full of joy and delight. Number 15, loving, displaying affection and care. Number 16, optimistic, expecting favorable outcomes and hopeful about the future. Number 17, proud, feeling a sense of accomplishment and self-worth. Number 18, resilient, able to bounce back from challenges and setbacks. Number 19, satisfied, content and pleased with the current situation. Number 20, vibrant, lively, energetic, and full of life.
That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.